Riley. Riley. Huh? What? What? It's you don't have school today. Wait, I don't? Why are you waking me up then? I dropped off your sister. Oh. And I'm about to leave for work. So you get to stay home today by yourself. Really? Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, whatever. Well, but just because you don't have school today, you do have to take the dog out, feed the dog, and eat. And don't eat too much junk food. I get it. Okay. Jeez, you already know me. Okay, well, I'm gonna leave. I have to leave, so I'll see you later. Okay. And also, please don't burn the house down. Why would I burn the house down? I don't even... You're the one that cooks. Oh, right. Well, so can you find yourself something for breakfast? Or, yeah, I can. If I can I go to Starbucks or something? No. Or maybe you can, I don't know. Just have... Okay? Bye, honey. Okay. Love you lots. Wait. Did I just hear a knock on the door? Let me check what it is. If the police is here, I swear. Oh my gosh. Like, I actually swear. Okay. Oh, hey, Aubrey. Hey, Riley. So, can I hang out here? Cause my parents don't want me to be in the house right now. So, can I hang out? Sure. I mean, I guess. Cool. Thanks. Did you bring anything? I brought myself my phone. And I brought my hair. Okay. Why aren't you wearing clothes? Because I just woke up? Oh. Dang. Anyway, how about you go get dressed or something? Well, it's kind of gonna sleep. Haven't been, I mean, I was gonna wear pajamas, but since you're here, I guess I'll put in my cool clothes. Okay, good, I'll be out here. Okay, that was unexpected, but I'll just... Okay. Okay, put the sweater on and get the beanie up on. Okay. Oh, jeez, that was quick. Yeah. Okay, well, okay, are you not gonna brush your teeth or anything? Just kidding, I know. With ninth graders, we don't brush our teeth. We're depressed. Aubrey, what? It's not really a funny joke. Sorry. Ooh, you got coffee? Aubrey, sorry, I know. Sorry, I've just never been to your house before. What about you have? No, I haven't. Huh. I'm gonna... Do you want me to put my shoes anywhere? Because my shoes, I don't want my dirty shoes to touch your floor. Oh, yeah, you can put your shoes, like, right here or something. Okay. Okay. So, that was an interesting conversation yesterday. Oh, yeah. So, like, you and Jules are dating? Yeah. Oh. That's actually pretty nice. I didn't say much because I was, like, half asleep, but yeah. That was really cool. Like, have you guys kissed yet? No, no, not at all. Not yet, but, like, any romantic things, or, I don't know, is holding hands an option? I guess, yeah. How's your, relationship with that one guy? We kind of broke up. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, he was kind of, yeah, I don't know. Weirdo? Yeah. So, like, it's like, technically you would consider Jules as your girlfriend. Yeah. And you're Jules' partner, right? Yeah. Wait, use they them pronouns, right? Yeah. Okay, sorry. Checking. I don't want to use the wrong pronouns. Right. But anyway, so like you're gonna invite your boo over? My boo? Yeah, your girl. Maybe, I don't know, I don't want to wake her up if she's still sleeping. Just wake her up. She'll probably really want to see you. And call her. But call her. Okay, fine, I'll call her. Fine, jeez, I'll call her. Hello? Oh, hey, Jules. Oh, hey. Any chance you want to come over? Oh, yeah, I was actually gonna ask you that same question. Oh, well, you already got a ride, or? Yeah, I will, take the bus, or whatever. Cool, see ya. Hi, Jules! Oh, hi, Ivory. I just, I just, I just found out that McDonald's is serving French fries. They've been serving French fries the entire. Okay, bye. Aubrey, you just hung up on her like that. Well, guess what? You guys will have something to talk about. Maybe even kiss. Oh my gosh, Aubrey. Do you want anything at all, like snacks or anything? Changing the subject, aren't you? You want to kiss her, don't you? My gosh, Aubrey. Not right now. Not right now. But do you want anything or? No, I'm good. Have you eaten breakfast? No, not really. I was gonna get Starbucks. Ooh, Starbucks! I'm definitely up for that. Well, we should probably wait for Jules, though. Right, yeah, wait for your boo. So calling her my boo. Oh, Aubrey, don't embarrass myself in front of her. You're scared of being embarrassed? Dang. Well, Aubrey, oh my gosh, I'm gonna, well, I'm gonna go get, a dog from my room. Okay, go do that. Like, I can't say yes anymore. Aubrey, just something today. Oh my gosh. I'm like, Riley, your girl is here. Oh my gosh. Okay. Really? Jules is over? Just play cool. Hey, Jules. Oh, hey, Riley. How's it going? Good. Here, come in. Oh, hey, Aubrey. Hey, Jules. Aubrey. Is she okay? What is going on? Nothing, just nothing. Alright. um, so, Riley was gonna take you out to Starbucks. Aubrey? You were? Well, I was wondering if all of us could go. Oh, yeah, that's okay. Sure, yeah, we can go. Cool, let's, go, yeah. Here, after you. Oh, cool, okay, cool. Riley, kiss her. Wait, I'm sure I'm gonna kiss. What's going on? Oh, nothing. Nothing. Wait, Riley, you got money? Yeah, it's in my pocket. Cool. Riley, oh, Brie, I'm gonna kill you. What is going on? Nothing. Okay. Right? Sorry. Hello. Hello. I'll get I'll get a gingerbread cookie and a gingerbread latte. Thanks. Here, I'll pay for you guys. Here, you can go, Jules. Oh, thanks. I'll get a I think I've got a cake pop, and they're like, yeah, or any cake, fine. And a peppermint mocha. Yeah. Yes. Look. I'm paying. I can pay. No. Okay. I'll get a chocolate chip cookie and let me think. I'll get one of those coffees with espresso and the chocolate mocha or something. I don't know what. Thank you. Okay, so I'll be okay. Money. Here we go. Thank you. Okay, guys, let's just sit down. Sit down over here. Riley. What is it, Aubrey? Wait, guys, let's play Truth or Dare. Truth or Dare? Aubrey, I'm gonna kill you. I swear. What's going on? Nothing. Nothing. Can I go? Can I? Or you can ask. What is it? Oh, nothing. Okay. Jules, truth or dare? Oh, the truth. Have you ever had your first kiss? No, I don't think so. Why? This is part of the truth. Oh, right. Sorry. I mean, no, I haven't. Okay, can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a truth or dare question? Riley. Yeah. Truth or dare? Truth. Have you ever had your first kiss? No. Okay. Okay, Riley, you go next. Jules, truth or dare? Truth. But don't. Maybe how do you feel about global warming? I don't know. I really don't know, to be honest. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm very young. Well, truth or dare? Dare. I dare you to call that guy that you broke up with. Wait, Aubrey, you just got broke up with someone? Riley, you would. Riley, you wouldn't. Yes, I would. My gosh. Fine, I'll do it. Jeez. I'll call him right now. So, wait. Like, Riley, is everything okay with you and Aubrey? Or like, yeah, it's fine. She's just teasing you, like in a mean way? No, I mean like, it's complicated. Just tell me, I'm right here, so I'll listen. Well, she's been teasing me all day about, like, me and you. Oh, well, what about me and you? Is it, like, is it us dating and stuff? Yeah, it is. Oh, well, like, well, she's been our friend for years, so why wouldn't she? She's always been like that. Well, still, it's been kind of bothering me all day. Well, don't have it get in your head. Okay. And well, at least she's not saying anything mean. True, yeah. Here, hug. Sure. Oh my gosh, guys, you guys kiss? No, we were just hugging. Oh, well, anyway, I called my ex or whatever, I guess that's what we can call him, and he wants to date me again. Well, do you want to date him? Yes, I want to date him so bad. He broke up with me. Well, what did you say? I said yes, and he flattered me on the phone. On my he asked me out. Oh, yeah, he asked me out later at like 6 p.m. Oh, that's cool. So, anyway, shall we go? Yeah, let's just get these cups. So he's trying to be. Here you go, here's the cups. Always trying to clean up for you. Okay, well, let's go. Riley! Oh, what is going on? What's going on? Why? I was just running so fast, but like, what is going on? Riley, you left the door open, both of them. I thought I closed them. Like, I had to, well, somehow they're open. I don't know why, but, let me go check if the dog's still here. Oh my gosh. Bear, where are you? Bear, where are you? Bear, where are you? Bear. Oh my gosh. Where's Bear? Oh my gosh, where's Bear? Oh my gosh. Bear, you're not in here either. Oh my gosh. What's going on? Bear. Oh my gosh. Guys, I can't find my dog. Can't find your dog? Oh my gosh, we need to find him right now. Like, actually, like, right now. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, maybe I'll leave. Marie? Fine. I'll help. Thank you. Well, where could he be? He could be anywhere by now. Here, I'll post on Instagram. Or Facebook or something. You have Facebook? Yeah, I like to troll people on it. Whatever, just post about it, I guess. Well, do they know where you live or something? No, but I have an Instagram, and I'll put down, I'm just gonna put down this, I don't know, no, do not put down missing dog. Just, come on, you need to find my dog. Has he ever run away before? Yeah, and he's usually been, like, somewhere at the McDonald's, like, parking lot or whatever. Like, that's where he was the one time. Oh. So, here, I'll go at the McDonald's parking lot or whatever. You guys look around town. No, just split up. Go in teams. You two go together, you're a couple, and I'll go by myself. We'll get more ground if we all split up. Come on, you guys should work together. Yeah, okay, God's birthday. Operate. Let's work. Fine, whatever. Okay, well, let's go then. Oh my gosh. Okay. Bear, where are you? 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 Bear. Gosh, where is he? Oh, God. It's okay, we'll find him. Anywhere, my mom's gonna kill me. Oh my gosh. Mom's actually gonna kill me. Guys. Oh, Aubrey, I found the dog. He's in the trash can. The trash can? Oh my god. Bear, where are you? Bear. Bear. Oh my god. Where are you? Bear, oh my gosh. Riley, you're going really so fast. Riley, you're going so fast. I can't find you. Sorry. Oh my god. Oh, look out for the car. Oh my gosh. Okay. No, don't run away again. Oh my gosh. Come on. Let's. Ready to go? Well, come on. Let's go back to the house. Right, back to the house. What's wrong? Nothing. Just nothing. Riley, tell me what's wrong. I lied to you about the thing Army said. Wait, why? Because he's been teasing about me and you kissing. Oh. What's so bad about that? Well, it's just, you're not ready? Well, I mean, like, I'm kind of embarrassed. You're embarrassed? No, I'm not, I mean, like, embarrassing you and you couldn't make me embarrassed or upset or anything. If you want, we can kiss right now. Wait, really? Yeah. Oh. She's looking. Oh, or look. It's fine. Oh my gosh, are they actually doing it? Oh my gosh, they're actually doing it. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Oh wait, where's my phone? Where's my phone? Oh my gosh, I need to film this. I need to film this. I need to actually film this. Oh my gosh, let me just take my phone. Oh my gosh, I'm filming this right now. Oh my gosh. So let me end this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So if you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And of course, again, since the last video, no hate comments, I swear. Anyway, see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!